y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how to start your Etsy shop selling vinyl t-shirts, and I'm going to tell you guys all about the products that I use, the supplies, vendors, everything that I use for my own Etsy shop. I recently did a video sharing all of my tips and tricks on how to start a successful Etsy shop no matter what you're selling. So if you would like to check that video out, I'm going to link it right here above, and I'll link it below just in case you want to go check that out. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And we'll go ahead and jump right into this video. My Etsy shop has been open for a few years now, and it's called Hazel Market. And when I first started my shop, I only had vinyl t-shirts and vinyl decals in my shop, and I used my silhouette. I'd been using a silhouette for years and finally decided to turn my little hobby into a business. Because I've been doing this for a few years, I've worked with a lot of different vendors, used different supplies and things, and I found what works for me, so I'm going to share that with you guys in this video. I'm also going to try to make a little cheat sheet that you guys can download below, and it'll have links to all the different vendors that I use and my Amazon store, which will show you all the different products that I use for my supplies and everything to create my shirts. So the first thing that you need in order to start your shop are the actual tools to create your shirts. So I'm gonna go through and show you all of the supplies that I use in order to create my shirts. The first tool that you need is a silhouette cameo. You could also use a Cricut, but I prefer the silhouette just because I feel like it is a lot easier to work and figure out and learn. You also need a computer to do your designing. You need a way to print your shipping labels. You could use a regular printer, but I prefer this demo because you don't have to buy ink. You just buy your actual labels, and so it cuts down on the cost. For your silhouette or your Cricut, you're going to need a mat, and I actually end up buying the Cricut mats because they are cheaper than the silhouette brand, and that saves me a little bit of money there too. I always get my business cards from Vistaprint because they always have a coupon and they're great quality. I use these mailers for shipping out shirts because it will keep the weight down, which also keeps the cost of shipping down. The next thing you're going to need to know to start your shop are what vendors should you be shopping with. And like I said, I've used lots of different vendors, and I came up with these vendors because these are the best price, they have the best customer service, and good shipping. My go-to vendor for vinyl is heattransfervinylforyou.com, and they are by far the best that I've come across. They always have some sort of coupon code for a 10% off discount, and they also have free shipping after you spend a certain amount. So usually all my stuff is shipped for free, and I get that 10% off coupon. But they have all the heat transfer vinyl you need. They have glitter, scissor weed, and they even have patterned heat transfer vinyl, which is really cool. I remember at Christmas time, I used a red buffalo check pattern, and everybody loved it. So definitely check them out if you are looking for a great place to get your vinyl. And then you need a vendor for t-shirts, and the best vendor that I have found so far is jiffyshirts.com. I have used them for probably a year and a half now, and I love them. They always have free shipping over a certain amount, so I usually have free shipping as well. And then they have the best prices that I've found so far on any of the shirts. They have the best name brand shirts, lots of color options, lots of style options. And another really good thing is most of their orders will ship the next day. If you order on a Friday, they don't come until Monday, but as long as you order before 6 o'clock p.m., it'll come the next day, except for over the weekend. So if you order over the weekend, it takes till Tuesday to get your order. But other than that, if you order on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you're gonna get it the very next day, which is really good if you are having a lot of orders. And of course, the last thing that you need in order to start your shop are your designs. And I design everything for my t-shirts in Silhouette Studio for my vinyl shirts. So if you have a silhouette or you have a Cricut, you're gonna be designing in that. And if you don't know how to use that, then I would definitely suggest looking up some YouTube videos on different tutorials on how to use your silhouette or your Cricut to design. Alright, so that is all you need in order to start your vinyl t-shirt business. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you ever have any questions about Etsy, leave them down below. At the end of all of my Etsy series, I'm going to be doing an Etsy Q&A, and I will answer all of your other questions there in case I can't get to them on here. So if you're new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if it was at all helpful or if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.